Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin Ar-Rahman Rahim. I am to Muslim.
Are you Muslim? Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum. Namaste. Mm, чуть-чуть speak English.
Really?
No. This is beautiful.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
ধন ধান্য পুষ্প ভরা আমাদের এই বসুন্ধরা। Will you give me to it?
One minute.
Hello. Where are you from? I'm from
Uzbekistan.
Uzbekistan. Okay, just I am from Bangladesh. Already I have followed you. Bangladesh. Okay, thank you so much.
India.
What time is it now?
My name is Dinara.
What time is it now in Uzbekistan?
My name is.
What time? Time. What time?
From Uzbekistan.
Time.
Guys.
4 a.m.
Guys.
At night. Just here in our country, Bangladesh, 6 a.m. early in the morning. I have taken Fajr prayer. I am outside home. Please look. I am outside home. Yeah. I am outside home, basically. Oh, wow. Actually, I am outside home. Yes, of course. Basically, yeah. Very early in the morning.
India music. Shahrukh Khan, я люблю. I love you.
Oh, okay.
Shahrukh Khan, I love you.
Basically,
Om Shanti Om.
okay. Oh, what is the name of your capital city? Capital city name. Your capital city name?
My name is Dinara.
Okay, just this is Zakaria Hussain. Muhammad Zakaria Hussain. I am too Muslim. Yes.
Oh, I am too Muslim. I am too Muslim.
Are you Muslim? Assalamu alaikum.
Yes. Assalamu alaikum. Namaste.
Already I have taken a Fajr prayer. Allahu Akbar. Fajr prayer I have taken recently from mosque. And then I have come here in this platform to practice English, to learn English with foreigners.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Basically, can you speak English fluent? Can you speak English?
чуть-чуть speak English.
Little bit. Okay.
My friend.
Oh.
Little bit.
Okay. Basically, I can speak English fluent. Basically, I am a private teacher. Teacher. Yeah. Oh, most of the time, do you speak in Russian language? Do you speak? Or can you speak? Rush language. Rush.
Russia. No speaking of Russia. Russia.
Oh. Okay. Basically, what is your favorite hobby?
Speak Russian.
What is your favorite hobby? Hobby.
Music, kino.
Music.
I love you, kino.
Oh. Can you sing a song?
I love your music.
Can you sing a song? Are you singer? Oh. Just I can speak. Not only sing a song, but also I am a private teacher. Just I can sing different kinds of song and different kinds of Islamic ghazal. I can recite. Really. Uh, basically, have you ever visited our country Bangladesh? Do you know our country Bangladesh? Beautiful country Bangladesh. Do you know? Do you know Bangladesh?
No, no.
Oh, just it is located uh,
It,
next to India, close to India, close to India, next to India.
okay.
Okay. Just are you a student? Are you a student? Do you study? Student, student, student. Are you a student?
Student. Student.
Oh, really? School, college, or university?
Mhm.
School, college, or university? Oh, okay, okay, okay, okay. Thank you so much. Basically,
Fine.
your hairstyle. Look, please give me 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Your hairstyle is artificial or natural. Your hair color. Your hair color.
Hmm?
Just
Who?
color. Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Color.
Nice.
Beautiful. Thank you.
Beautiful.
Thank you very much.
Please recite me a song. Please sing a song. Sing a song. One song, please. Sing a song.
Really personal. Hmm.
Dhano dhanya.
Nice.
Just this is our patriotic song. This is our patriotic song. Our
Hmm.
patriotic. Yeah, I like. I like song. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
What are you eating? Eating something what? Orange. Okay. Will you give me to it? Will you give me to it? Will you give me?
Music.
Yeah.
Кайсы кушылдайды білсің?
Please, one song.
Uzbek?
One song. Yeah. One song.
Tamam. Okay.
Yes.
Uzbek. Кайсы кушылдайды білсің?
One
Кайсы
song.
кушылдайды беріп алған?
Yeah. Please recite me one song.
Uzbek music.
Yeah. Recite. Singing. Your national anthem.
Кайсы кушылдайды білсің?
Your national anthem. Just our national anthem.
Music.
আমার সোনার বাংলা.
Yok.
Yes.
No. 1 minute. Şahrukhan music.
Yeah. Any kinds of song. Any kind of song. Oh, I can sing. I can sing different kinds of ghazals.
No. Dur. O'zbek qo'shiq qaysi qo'shiq bor? Aytib bermoqchi edim. 10 minut.
Yeah, of course.
Oh.
Any kind of song?
Gece tinchgina yurgan ko'chamda beg'am beparvo yurgan edimda seni man qaydan uchratdim shu dam sevib qoldimmi kuyib qoldimmi devonaman devona vaslingga parvona devonaman devona lek senga begona. Tamam.
Nice. Excellent. Excellent.
Good.
Excellent.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, basically, do you recite any kind of surah, Al-Quran, from Al-Quran? You can recite any kind of surah?
Surah, yes.
Surah. Yeah. Or Arabic alphabet. Do you know?
Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim Maliki Yawmiddin İyyâke na'budu ve İyyâke nestaîn اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. Amen.
Okay, just I am reciting. Yes, of course. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والتين والزيتين وطور سنين وهذا البلد الأمين لقد خلقنا الإنسان في أحسن تقويم ثم رددناه أسفل سافلين إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات فلهم أجر غير ممنون فما يكذبك بعد بالدين أليس الله بأحكم الحاكمين. Most of the time I recite these kinds of surah from 5 times prayer.
Nice.
5 times prayer. I take 5 times prayer every single day. Yes, of course. Oh, basically,
Bye.
no, please give me 5 minutes. We should practice A to Z alphabet, Arabic alphabet. Alif, Ba, Ta, Sa, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Jal, Ra, Za, Sin, Shin, Swad, Dwat, Twa, Jwa, Ain, Goin, Fa, Kof, Kaf, Lam, Mim, Nun, Waw, Ha, Hamza, Ya, Ye. Please recite with me. Yeah. Recite.
Then Arabic alphabet, no. No speak.
Oh, you don't know.
No speak.
You don't know?
Arabic, no. أبحبك بس اسمعني أبحبك والله شنو بلا ما أعرف كذا نوم بيقول مقواس كذا صياد لابسة.
Basically, mim, the letter mim, it has exceptional power. Mim, the letter, Arabic word. It has exceptional power. Mim. Yeah, yeah,
Indiski music, go.
yeah.
You, Indiski music, go.
Oh, gimme. Will you stay sometime?
Indiski music.
Yeah, yes, of
Shanti
course.
on, shanti on.
Okay, okay. Uh,
Hatuba.
can you recite
Hatuba.
or can you hear me? Can you hear me? Alphabet, Arabic alphabet. Please speak with me. Alif. Just pronounce karo with pronounce. Alif, ba, ta. Please recite.
No. No. No. Indiski music. Indiski. Indiski.
Oh,
Music.
okay, okay, okay, okay, okay.
Go, go.
Go. I am going. I am going. Can I go back?
Hmm?
Can I go back?
You.
Please follow me. Follow me. Next time, follow me. We will meet next day. Next day. Yes.
Go, go.
But at present, I am very thirsty. I am very hungry. Will you give me to it? Your orange? I am very hungry. I am very hungry.
Go.
I am very hungry. Will you give me?
English, no, no, English.
Okay, okay, okay, okay. Thank you. Bye bye. See you again.